Welcome to our video tutorial for accessing your Brand Asset Management Group portfolio through your online client portal. In this video, we'll cover the portal basics, including how to access the portal and view your dashboard, as well as how to navigate the various reports to access deeper levels of portfolio performance and statistics. In order to access your portal, you must first visit our website at brandamg.com. From there, click the Client Login link that will direct you to the page at which you can enter your login credentials. If you have not yet set up portal access, please contact a member of our team to get started. Once logged in, you'll see a portfolio overview called the dashboard. The dashboard home screen is designed to allow quick and concise access to the high-level portfolio data of interest to most clients. Starting at the top, in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see the tiles icon. Clicking here will return you to the dashboard, which is useful if you've navigated to one of the other more in-depth reports and want to get back to where you started. To the right of that are access to those in-depth reports, which we'll talk about a little bit later on in the video. To the right of that, the Documents tab contains access to your vault, and just to the right of that, you'll see a link which will take you to the current version of the Brand AMG team. So if you want to put a face to the voice or maybe just get a better idea of who does what around the office, this is the place to go. Over to the right-hand side, you'll see this, which will take you to any site announcements that may be relevant for the day, as well as the as-of date of the portfolio data. This is typically the prior day's market close. The dashboard uses tiles to categorize useful information. The first of which, market value, is simply the aggregated value of the portfolio's accounts. The results of your most recent retirement model are included here. Please note that while the results update for market value changes for more significant model modification generally only occur in conjunction with your investment reviews. Cash flows into and out of the portfolio are summarized here, while to the right you'll see data on capital appreciation, which is market value change of your investments, as well as income, which would include dividends, interest, etc. The total of these two are what's historically been reported to you as portfolio gain-loss. Below that is a tile outlining the Brand Asset Management Group management fees, as well as any non-BAMG charges that your accounts may incur, such as 401k administration fees or annuity expenses. Next to that is your portfolio's return for the year, along with its weighted benchmark return. While the tiles are designed to provide fast and convenient access to the updated portfolio data most clients seek, the portal offers a significantly greater depth of information found by navigating the tabs just below the dashboard. The first of these is Portfolio Summary. Here you'll find a summary of portfolio activity across various reporting periods. Next to that is the Asset Allocation tab. This allows you to see how your portfolio is allocated across the various categories while comparing that to the targeted weighting of each category. For example, you can see here that the portfolio is currently allocated 8.91% of its value to the U.S. Large Cap Blend Stocks category, compared to its targeted weighting of 9%. Performance by segment is useful if you're interested in seeing how each of the categories in your portfolio are performing compared to benchmark. You can also see how many dollars you have allocated to each category. Here you'll see a graphical representation of how your portfolio has performed. You can view data for individual portfolio investments by category on the Holdings tab. You'll find cash flow detail on the Capital Flows tab. And using the Asset Allocation tab, you'll be able to see how each account is invested across the various allocation categories. The Transactions tab will outline portfolio activities such as deposits, withdrawals, expenses, and trade activity. Finally, you can check the Realized Gain Losses tab for updated view of any capital gains that have been realized in the portfolio. If you'd like to export any of the data that you see in these reports, you can use this link here, and the data will be exported to Excel. Also, some of the tabs, for example the Transaction tab here, contain a link to View Full Report. Clicking this will give you the ability to view that report on a full page. Earlier in the video, we mentioned tabs towards the top of the screen, which if you hover over, provide access to some additional portfolio reports that you may find useful. This Accounts report is simply an overview of the accounts that make up your portfolio. Of particular note here is that you'll be able to quickly determine how much cash you have in each of the various accounts. So for example, if you use your IRA for charitable check writing, and you're concerned about how much cash is in the account before you write those checks, you'll be able to go here and know exactly how much cash is available in that account. The Assets and Liabilities page has some net worth information. And if you look at the reports and hover over that, you'll see that it provides access to many of the same reports we just saw on the tabs view. As previously mentioned, you can access your secure vault through the Documents tab. This is an incredibly handy way for us to share documents with you, such as investment review materials or quarterly investment reports. You can also securely upload and share documents with us, such as a prior year's tax return or your estate planning documents. Feel free to keep other important documents here, such as your insurance policies, etc. This concludes our video tutorial for accessing your BAMG client portal, which we hope you find useful. Of course, if you have any questions or issues with your portal access, please contact a member of our team and we'll be happy to assist. If you don't yet have portal access, just let us know and we'll be glad to get you up and running. Thanks for watching.